Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. In this video we will look into new loan app in 2023 today in Nigeria, and these are one of the very new loan app which I'll be reviewing in this channel. But of course they are not new loan app that are just created in the year 2023, but of course they are newly launched loan app at the late of 2022, which of course you can use them to borrow a loan in the year 2023. Then we'll be reviewing different loan app which you can actually use to borrow a loan in Nigeria today. Number one loan app which we'll be looking at is Motor Cash, which is one of the flexible loan approval in Nigeria. And with this loan app, you can get a loan of up to 1 million naira after you have provided every information which they actually need from you, such as your BVN, your ID card. Any means of ID cards actually accepted by this loan app, either your national ID card, voter's card, or international passport. Either of these three is accepted by this Motor loan app, and it's actually easy, and the interest rate is very small, which make it very easier for everyone who need a loan to use the app. And the loan tenure for 800,000 is 91 days, which is around 3 months. So they believe within the time you should be able to get or pay back the loan you borrow from the platform. And you can connect any of your bank to this loan app, and after they have approved all the information which you provided, then a loan will be disbursed to your bank account. And this app overall of 4.9 star, which the total review for a good or top-notch review is 5.0, and this app already have 4.9, which is actually great. Then the total review which people have dropped, bad and good, total one is 4,000, and the total download is 100,000, which also let us know that this app is very known, other than some of the app which you say like 1 million downloads, 500,000 downloads and the likes. And then you can also see the total reviews in here. So total reviews is 4,157, and then all the latest review on this app are 5 stars, as you can see. If I try to navigate through most of the review, then you will see how positive and critical the loan app is. So you can check on the review to see if this app will definitely help you or solve out a problem which you are trying to look out for. So other than that, we'll jump into the next loan app in 2023. Naija Cash is another instant loan app which you'll be checking out in this video. And with Naija Cash, you can get a loan of up to 500,000 naira, and this depends on the kind of details you have and how they run a background check or your profile, how much you earn on a monthly basis, and then how much you are sending out as if you are kind of like a business owner. But with a business owners, you'll be able to get a loan as fast as possible with Naija Cash. And if you are running a personal account, you'll be able to get a loan from 60,000 naira to 80,000 naira, and they are going to request for your BVN and some other information if they are needed. And with Naija Cash, they have the overall rating of 4.5, and the total review on this app is 9,000, and total download is 100,000, which is also great, and also tell us this app is very new, other than some other big loan app that generate thousands or millions of reviews. And scrolling down, this app is already getting to 10,000 reviews, and then total rate is 4.5, and then the last review which was dropped on the 26th of December 2022 was 5-star rating, and this is another one from Cheesy as well. And if you navigate to the whole total review, you will see the positive and the critical review on this app, which you can also look into when you're trying to get a loan or choose any loan app which you would like to borrow a loan from. So checking on the review play a big role in any of these loan app, in any app you are trying to use or try to purchase something from. So checking on the review will let you know what people are actually feeling saying about the loan app, so you know if you should use that app or not. The third loan app which you will be looking at in this video is Now Money, which is another quick money loan app in Nigeria, and it also serves some other African countries as well. But we'll look into that after giving out the total reviews of this app. And the app already have 4.6 overall rating and 8,000 reviews as I'm first making this video, and the total download is 100,000 as you can see. And they have a short video which will also explain how the app works, and they also have a coupon code which your user can actually use when they are trying to borrow a loan from the app, which is 1,000, 2,000 and 5,000 coupon. So you can use them when you're trying to get a loan from the app, and you see how the coupon actually works. So the transparent fees is actually easy, and you'll be able to see everything before you get a loan from the app. So it won't be like you borrow 5,000 naira from this loan app and they're charging you extra fee, which is not supposed to be. So you have to check everything, check the terms and conditions of this loan app before you proceed on to request for a loan with the platform. And then you also see the reviews that people are actually dropping about the loan app, so you'll see if they are the best one which you should use to borrow a loan in Nigeria today. So check on the reviews. It's actually very important before you get started or to borrow money from any loan app in Nigeria today. So these are the three newly launched loan app which I think I should share with you guys in this video in the year 2023. So let me know if there is any particular loan app you want me to review, whether they are bad or good. So let me know through the comment section, and I'll be very much happy to do that for you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me, and it also helped me to make more content for you guys. Like this video and also share for people who might also need this kind of content. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.